Hello again. All right, so here we are. We're at the West Beach Trail. It's called the Succession Path, and it goes up many stairs, which I'll show you soon. But I wanted to show you what they do here sometimes, and I'm not sure I like it. But they do these controlled burns that are very low-grade fires to kill all of the plants that maybe shouldn't be here or needed that so that they can grow better. So you can see some pretty things here, but you see all of the black near that tree, and then look at all the things already starting to grow. So anyway, here we are, and we're going to talk to the trees today. So of course I have my green hair because we're going to nature today. I will see you in a bit. And here we are again. So I'm going to show you the difference here. See that area that's darker brown? And then this area here more orange. Well, the blackened area over there, that was all the controlled burn. So here we are on the Succession Path. And as you can see, there are many steps. I might get a little out of breath on this one. Oh my, definitely out of breath, lots of stairs. But again, we're going to be looking for some things that trees might give us. Also, just look at them for cool shapes that they might have. And as we get to ones with bigger trunks, we might see some faces. The land we're on was actually donated from the steel plants because at one point the industry here destroyed much of the land. So they donated acres to turn it into a park. So we're in the Indiana Dunes here. And way over there is Lake Michigan. And here's our trail and all of our pretty trees. Oh, and there's that green hair again. All right, let's see what we can find. Oh my. Well, we're around a lot of oak trees, as we talked about the other day. You can tell by the leaves on the ground. Hello, my friend there. That is an oak tree there. Look at him, he's very pretty and tall. But as you can see, many oak tree leaves all around us. So, I'm going to have you look yourself. Do you see any dancing trees? Do you see any shapes that seem familiar? We'll draw them out later. Look at how this tree right here splits into two right at the base. Ah, and look at that one. Right in the middle of the pathway. He looks like he has a spirit in him. And so does this one. Does anyone want to get... Hello. I found some trees for us. So, do you see them back there? Yes, here they come out of the light. And you can see them. Beautiful. It looks like 3 dancing trees, I say. You must use your imagination a bit, but yes, they're dancing. Now we're going to ask the trees for maybe something like this stick. He looks pretty cool. He looks almost like a dog. So we're going over here and talk to the evergreens. Oh, look at them right there. Alright, so as you know, we must ask the tree if it's alright if we take some of her things, because she's our friend and we don't take friends' things that they don't want us to. So look at how pretty she is. And, oh, so soft. It's very soft. So we can see all kinds of things down here. And And some over here. I'm going to ask that acorn. And maybe some pine needles down there. But as you remember, I will talk to the tree. Will Alice to take your things? How are you today, dear? See this branch you'll be alright with? Alright. So here are the 3 things we're taking. And now we will leave. Ah, there's that green hair again. Cheers. Talk to you soon.